Hello everyone, how are you doing? And welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today we're tackling a frustrating error you might be seeing on your Windows computer, whether it's 7, 8, 10, or 11, saying that the disk is corrupted and unreadable. It's a real headache when you can't access a drive or file, but this should be a pretty straightforward process to fix. Let's jump straight in and get started. The first thing to try is to restart your computer. I know it sounds basic, but trust me, a simple reboot can clear up a surprising number of issues. It's like giving your system a fresh breeze. Sometimes that's all it needs. Save any open work, close your programs, then click the Start button down in the top left. Hit the power icon and choose Restart. Give it a minute or two to shut down and come back. Once you're back at the desktop, try accessing the drive or program again, open it up and see if there is any change. This quick setup can save you a lot of troubleshooting time. Still seeing that message? No problem. Let's move to the next fix, reinstalling or updating the device driver. Open the search menu, click that magnifying glass next to the Start button and type Device Manager. When it pops up as the best match, click to launch it. In the window that loads, scroll through the list to find the device that you wish to update. It could be a hard drive under disk drives, a USB drive, or something else. It's not about the exact driver I'm showing, it's about finding yours. Right-click it and select Update Driver. In the next window, choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You might see a few options, so pick one specific to your device, like a brand name from the manufacturer, not just a generic one. Click Next, let it install. It's quick, then close Device Manager. If that doesn't work, head to the manufacturer's website, say Western Digital, Seagate, or whoever made your drive. Search for your model, download the latest driver, and install it manually. Restart your PC after it starts. Go to the Start menu, restart, and test it again. If the error is still there, let's run a system scan back to the search menu and type CMD. When command prompt appears, right-click and pick Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt pops up, hit Yes. You will land in an elevated command window, perfect for this. Type SFC/scannow. That's SFC space, then a / followed by scannow, all one word. Hit Enter to start the system file checker. This tool scans your Windows files for corruption and fixes what it can, but it's not fast. Expect 5 to 15 minutes depending on your system. You will see a progress bar ticking up 10%, 20%, 30%, so grab a snack or stretch while it runs. Don't interrupt it, it's doing deep work, checking every critical file. When it's done, it will report back. If it says Windows Resource Protection found corrupted files and successfully repaired them, that's great news. If it finds nothing, that's fine too. It rules out file issues. Close command prompt with the X in the corner, then restart your computer, Start menu, restart, and let it reboot fully. Then try accessing the driver again. Plug it in or open the location and see if it's working. That's the full rundown, folks. We've rebooted, updated drivers, and scanned the system to tackle that disk structure corruption error. Hopefully your drive is readable again, no more roadblocks. If this got you back on track, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fixes. Catch you in the next tutorial. Stay error-free.